At Pragati, we believe that the most inspiring stories are about women of courage, passion, innovation, compassion, and determination. Today, inspiring and trailblazing women are no longer an exception. Rather, they are the norm. This International Women's Day, let's pledge to create an environment of equality and equity for the women at work. One where they can achieve their goals and excel as leaders. Let's begin with inclusive policies that banish stereotypes, overcome assumptions, and align communication styles. Because when organizations empower women, they can drive change, not just within, but also in the marketplace and the community as a whole. Some of the best businesses across the world are embracing these principles of gender equality and making a significant impact on the way they run their company. They are attracting more talent. They are opening the doors to greater innovation. They are entering newer markets. They are getting closer to their community, and they are vastly improving their bottom line. This is the right opportunity for you to make a difference to the women employees in your organization. Lead the change from within. Build a cadre of motivated, inspired women who will lead creativity and innovation in your organization. Because when you empower the women in your organization, you help them tap into their inner strength and insight and write bold new success stories.